Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to learn what is Git Stash. Okay, Git Stash is a Git command that temporarily saves your uncommitted changes without committing them, and it allows you to switch branches or work on something else without losing your modifications. Right? Then we'll understand, how Git Stash works. When you run the Git Stash, right, it takes your modified and stages file and store them in a temporary state. So your working directory is in the clean now. So meaning that all changes are reverted to the last committed state. So you can later reapply the stage changes using Git Stash pop, or you can use the Git apply as well. Okay, let's see some common Git Stash commands over there. Okay, so if you want to save the changes, right? If you want to save the changes, then we have a Git stash is there. This stash has all modified and staged files. Okay. Then if you want to list the staged changes, then we have a Git stash list is there. It shows all staged changes with an index. Then if you want to reapply the last stash changes and remove them from the stash, then we can use Git stash pop. Okay. Then you have if you want to reapply the lost strategy changes without removing them from the stash, then we have to use the stash apply, Git stash apply. If you want, if you want to stash specific file, if you want to stash the specific file, then you can use Git stash push. Then you can add up any messages. Then we can add a file name. If it it stashes only the specified file. If you want to remove a specific, stash entry, then you can use git stash pop stash, then you can add a n. So where n is the stash index from git stash list. The next is if you want to clear all the stash changes, then we can use git stash clear. Okay. So when we are going to use the git stash, okay, if you need to switch branches, right, but don't want to commit incomplete work, when you want to pull the latest changes, before continuing your work also, we are going to use. If you need to test something like, temporarily and revert back later, then we can use the Git stash. Okay, this is all about stash. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interview questions. See you in the next video.